welcome. How you all doing? I'm checking out these beautiful bell pepper here, which you see. Oh, at least it was there. Which you see, they already start changing their color. So at this point, their seed is already mature. So if you want to get seed, you could get healthy seed from this because it's they already mature. So what I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna be harvesting them today. Think it's time for me to harvest them instead of me allow them. Let the plant focus on getting more developed. We also have a nice ripe one here. Okay. We also see where we have a nice massive eggplant, pretty heavy and solid. Let me cut it. Okay. Down the line here, we have more pepper that we can harvest here. We also have big nice bell pepper, but I'm gonna leave these to ripen. So this is my early morning harvest. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe and share.